Jack wasn't old, but he was a man.
What
In
the
the
fuck?
sand at the Isle of Man. The kids would all sing, he would take the wrong key. So they rode on his head in their furry donkey. Kids got no Jack, they try. They drop things on and they couldn't prevent Jack from being happy. But they couldn't stop Jack or the walls